Would you like to make your travel photos look cooler? I'm Tom, your practical travel guide. Today, I'll show you 3 simple tricks that can help you achieve that.
The first method is to pick a simpler scene. Why does it matter? When the picture is more complicated, it's harder for someone to perceive it as being beautiful. We may have different understandings of what's beautiful, but I think we can all agree that flower is beautiful, or a palm tree, or a landmark. Less is more. Let's do a comparison. The first photo contains a lot of scenes. The second one is much more zoomed in. Doesn't it look much cleaner and more detailed? The second trick is to make things look symmetrical and position your photo better to show interesting patterns. First, let's see 2 photos, one being symmetrical and one being asymmetrical. It's obvious the first one looks better. Next, let's see some examples of interesting patterns. All of these 3 photos look great because they contain patterns. Our brain perceives complete patterns to be beautiful, so just try your best to capture the entire patterns. When you're traveling, you can use that as a background. You stand in the middle and let someone else take a photo for you. The third trick is to use the focus feature. Your phone and camera have autofocus, but it's usually going to lock the focus on your face. You want to make sure the focus is actually on the important part in the picture. Just tap on your screen and select it. And this is especially important if you are taking photos of objects. Let's see some examples. The results differ quite a lot when you are not using focus or when you are selecting different objects to be the focus. That's all for this video. Did you find it helpful? Please leave me comments if you have questions or thoughts. Share it on social media if you liked it. Thank you.